Hey, what's up guys, English Dan. This just came now. It's the new Pixel 4a from Google. They've nicely sent it to me. It's out on the 20th of August. It's only $349. I'm going to say this is going to probably have the best camera, just like the 3A did this year on any phone, and especially at $349. You can even get it for $299 if you activate your phone at Best Buy. Under 300 bucks? What's going on? Anyway, let's have a look at this now. So, there's the box. Plain, simple, Team Pixel. Google on the side, see the Pixel on the front. They all come in black, so only one color this year. But yeah, let's crack this thing open. Lovely kitchen knife, because I'm good like that. Oh look, there's pull tabs. Aren't I clever? There you go. I'm so used to having to use the knife. So let's have a look what we get in here. So first thing is the phone, and let me tell you, that looks and feels a lot better than it looks on videos. Get back to that in a second. What else do we get in the box here? We get our paperwork with the SIM tool, we get our charging brick, and then we get our USB-C cable and our USB-A to USB-C for file transfer. So pretty basic when it comes to the boxing. Let's have a look at the actual phone. So you have to excuse me if you can hear the AC. Let's power this baby on. I've been looking forward to this for so long. I actually expected this to come out in May. I think a lot of people did, somewhere around there, May, June. But hey, it's here now. First thing you'll notice is Google have got rid of the notch, or the big forehead, or whatever you want to call it, and they've gone with the hole punch display. That means that there's no fancy Project Solly in here or infrared for face unlock. So yeah, you don't get those. But what you do get is a good old rear fingerprint sensor. So yeah, I'll set this baby up and we'll have a quick look. Alright guys, so we're back. It's all set up as you can see. And this thing is super smooth. I know people are worried about it having a 730G processor, but I mean, I know there's nothing on there right now and it's downloading things. I've just put my demo account on there, so I've not got everything on there yet. But so far, so good. This screen is really, really nice. I'm extremely impressed with the screen. No thanks. We already have it. But yeah, the screen is great. Oh look. Let's see what mine sound like. There's my video on the front screen. Ads. Yeah, thanks Google. I forgot about ads. Skip. I just gave myself a watch.
Just come out with the LG Velvet. What this is like a reboot for the company when it comes to branding. Gone is the G series. Now we have the Velvet series. The question is it any good?
Pretty good sound out of that actually.
So what is the LG Velvet?
Pretty good picture too. And I'm on like a third of the way of brightness there, so I don't blind you guys looking at this, but yeah, I'm impressed with the screen. Swipe up, obviously the camera's the camera. As you can see, I've not even set anything up yet. It's the same interface for the camera as it is on every other Pixel. Portrait mode. I think this, let's take a quick picture so you can see my ugly face. Ugly mug. Damn, that's a good looking guy. But look at that. I mean, I literally just lifted that to my face and took a picture and boom. Instant cutout. Boy, 350 bucks and you're getting pictures like this. You know, it's all plastic like I say, but it's all one piece and it feels really good. And this fingerprint sensor, man, look at that. It's so fast. I can't believe it. Look. In fact, the screen was on before I even... Yeah. It's hard to show you.